Hey there, welcome to episode 6 of Ninja Briefs. This week, we will be taking a break from FTC recaps and instead providing helpful tutorials on completing STIMS, or the Student Team Information Member System, and constructing an engineering notebook.
First off, let's go over STIMS. STIMS is essentially the process by which members can formally join their first robotics teams. It is mandatory that all members complete STIMS prior to their first competition. If not, they will not be allowed to compete.
To do this, visit firstinspires.com and log in. Then, navigate to the dashboard page. Once here, select Apply to a Team, the competition that your team competes in, and type your team number in the text box. If the information that appears below the text box is correct, select Apply.
At this point, an adult mentor must accept the application through their account. Now that you have joined a team, one of your parents must complete a consent and release form, which they can access through their account. Please remember that STIMS must be completed for every team that you are on. So if you are on both an FTC and FRC team, you will need to complete this process twice.
Next up is our engineering notebook tutorial. The engineering notebook is an optional submission at FTC events that is used to inform judged awards decisions. Submitting a notebook makes your team eligible for a number of awards, some of which qualify your team for the next level of competition. Since this is a large project, we recommend starting work on notebooks early in the season. However, it is not too late to create one if you haven't yet.
The engineering notebook serves as a window into daily team operations for the judges and supplements the judged team interview. A strong submission provides succinct summaries of your team's activities on each day of the season.
We like to dedicate one full page per day and write short paragraphs explaining what we worked on that day, any changes we implemented and why, and other important or interesting information that may impress the judges. While it is definitely important to include robot-related events, such as testing a mechanism, also mention fun things your team does, such as a Secret Santa gift exchange, as this will make your entry more memorable.
Remember to include photos of anything you write in the notebook, as judges will skim through and only read pages that catch their attention. We also recommend marking key pages with tabs, as this will allow you to more easily reference the notebook during judging sessions.
Finally, make sure everyone on the team is involved in creating the pages. Not only does this activity help members learn what other people on the team have been working on, but if you have the authors and proofreaders of each page sign their names as a footer, it will show the judges that everyone on the team is knowledgeable of and involved in the team.
Thanks for watching Ninja Briefs. We hope this video was helpful. Check back after FRC kickoff for a game analysis and strategy episode as we begin our coverage of FRC on-season. Happy holidays from all of us on the Ninjineers and Rising Ninjas.